Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this tiny tutorial, I'll show you how to add a button to your Squarespace 7.1 menu. This button can link to any web page on the internet, including pages on your site. It can also be a contact link for an email or a phone number, or you can actually link directly to a download like a PDF. To do all of this, we need to go into edit mode. No matter what page you're on, just select edit, and then we'll be able to edit the site header. This is showing up because my cursor is hovering over the header and not over the rest of the page. So as soon as you see edit site header, click that button. From here, we can select elements. When we open up our elements menu, you'll see the very first option is to turn on the button. Here you can type anything you want for the button text, and then click this gear icon to assign what that button will link to. You can have it linked to a web page on anywhere on the internet, a page on your site. If you start typing here, you'll see a list of all of the pages on your site, so you can select the one that you want that button to link to. You can also set it to email, phone number, or directly link to a file like a PDF. Whatever you decide to do, select save, and make sure you select save one more time at the very top here. All right, let's check out that menu one more time. On any page on your website, select edit and hover over the header until you see the edit site header button. Click that button and navigate to your elements menu. Here you can toggle the button on or off, type in anything that you want that button to say, and then click this gear icon to assign a link for that button. It can be a link to any page on the internet, a page on your site, an email, phone number, or directly link to a file like a PDF. For more tiny tutorials like this one, visit InsideTheSquare.co.